the recipe for success. Listen carefully. A salary is a drug your employer gives you to forget about your dreams. Think about how you feel waiting for payday, the adrenaline, the plans, and finally the rush when you get paid. Then the down feeling creeps in after you have spent all the money. Once over, the cycle starts again. You are addicted to remain in service to your employer. Know this: if you continue to wait for the right time, you will waste your life. You will start nothing and achieve nothing. You will never start. The right time is now. Take it. No one will give it to you. Use it. It's yours. You have the necessary capabilities to make the most of it and inspire others, even when you trust your close friends and family. Do not share your plans, vision, and projects. In some cases, they may not understand your vision. Therefore, attempt to divert your path to what they think is best for you, when they have not achieved anything for themselves. You'd lose 99% of your friends when you start upgrading yourself. This is because the friends and relatives you were around at the time were perfect for the version of yourself who's supposed to stay the same. You're the source of your happiness and misery. You will feel happier in your life when you start facing your problems and stop blaming others for your screw-ups. Growth and maturity happen in life when you learn to accept things and people as they are, and do not take it personally. Learning new skills, reading books are great habits. However, regardless of how many books you read, nothing equals actions and self-discipline. Know this: motivation gets you the right mindset. Commitment get you to start, and consistency get you to the finish line. Here's the recipe for success and the race of life. There are no late beginnings. There's no need to worry about the past. It can't be changed. Use what you've learned to position yourself for a better future.